Hi guys, this is Charlotte Rose and welcome to my channel guys. So as you can see in front of you guys, I have me some Mrs. Meyers products here that I will be doing a quick all on to show you guys what I got, some stuff for free and stuff like that. And there is no pricing on the receipt or anything like that. So I maybe put some stuff under my description. Okay guys, so I just want to real quick say to you guys that I apologize for not uploading any videos for the longest while guys, but I just had a bit of personal issue going on. You know, I had two losses in my family like back to back, so I had to be running from here to there, Jamaica to Florida and stuff like that. So I just took time out of the stuff I would normally do. Plus I kept uploaded my videos to YouTube and I didn't know they weren't uploaded. I thought they were up there. I did all my Christmas stuff, my takedown, my transition from Christmas to, you know, the winter months and stuff like that. And nothing was there, guys. So I must apologize for that. So here, guys, I have this very large box that I got from Grove Collaborative, guys, with their Mrs. Meyers product. They I was watching YouTube at one point and I saw this YouTuber and she was saying, oh, they're giving away free stuff and that. So I went on and lo and behold, I got all these stuff for free. Some stuff I purchased and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm going to try to leave a link below, guys, and see you could maybe get the same things too. So as you can see, guys, it's a very large box. It's really heavy and stuff like that. Yeah, it's really heavy. So, I'm gonna start out by just you know, unboxing all these stuff and let you guys know what the items are and what they do. And some of the scents are so beautiful. I used them before. I picked up all my stuff from Target, and some of the stuff I really couldn't find in Target, so I'm glad I could find them on Grove Collaborative. Just go ahead, guys, and sign up and spend a little bit of cash, and you'll be getting maybe 5 to 7 items for free. So let's jump right in, guys. So at first you can see that there's a bunch of packaging going on here. They have, you know, plastic packaging and paper packaging and all that good stuff. So you could be ensured that your stuff is getting delivered safely. You know, nothing won't be broken or anything like that. And that's nice to know that they thought of stuff like that. So yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna quickly go over the stuff I got from Grove Collaborative, and all the stuff here, some are free and some of the stuff I purchased. So I'm gonna start with the stuff I got for free just for signing up, guys. So if you want to do this, go and sign up. I'll leave a link below, or I'll try to leave the link below. I gotta figure out how to put a clickable link so you guys could go get your free stuff. And all they're asking is to, you know, you spend $20 and stuff like that, and they will, you know, you will read it, see if it's something you want to do or not want to do. But I'm getting stuff free. I'm doing that. Okay, so quickly I'm gonna jump into all the free stuff I got. So this hand soap, it's in the scent honeysuckle. If you guys can see that, I've never used this one before, but it just sounds like it smells yummy. So this is a 12.5 fluid ounce, and let me see if I can open this. You know what, I'm not even gonna try because I'm using my other hand to video. Okay, so that's one free thing. Over here is my dish soap. This is the lemon verbena. I used this before, so I love the scent, so that's why I got this one back. And all these stuff, guys, are in regular large size. It's not like it's sample size or anything like that. This is a 16 ounce, okay? The next thing I got for free is the spray, multi-surface everyday cleaner, and this is in the scent lemon verbena, and in a 16-ounce bottle. And like I said, I love the scent. Free item again. This free item is a nice ceramic springy type cup, and it comes with a brush, a nice sturdy brush to scrub your dishes and stuff like that. And it also has this spring-like mechanism thing in it. So what you would do, you would put your dishwashing soap in there, and you would just press it down like that, and it would load the brush up with soap, and you scrub away. My next free item are these scouring pads. 2 came in the pack. One fell, guys. So 2 came in the pack, and that was a free item. And guys, I want to say I might have gotten some more stuff free, because I am not sure if I purchased that or this. I might have gotten these 2 extra things for free. I knew I bought the toilet cleaner, and this is a very large bottle, guys. It's a 24-ounce, and that's for the toilet. Also, this one, I knew I bought this one, and all these stuff are so affordable, guys. I wasn't expecting the bottles to be this large. This is a 28-ounce daily shower cleaner. What you would do with this, you would spray this in your bathroom after you take your shower and stuff like that. And what that should do is kind of alleviate all the soap scum, you know, all that grease and grime that's on your body from using lotion, oils, and all that extra stuff when you take it after your shower and you lotion your body up and stuff like that. So yes, I got these free, and what these are laundry detergent, and this, I want to say, is in a sample size. It's a 12.5 fluid ounce, this one, and I'm gonna try it. If I like it, I might buy the regular size. And this is a bathroom cleaner, and this one is in the scent spearmint, and this too, I want to say I got free. Okay, and it's large. Okay, this bottle is a non-slip bottle. It's nice that you could see what's in the bottle, and it says Grove Collaborative on it. I think they have this bottle in the same color as the cup, but I didn't see it while I was shopping. If I did, I would have bought it so it could look matching, but it's similar. It's the same green and stuff like that. So you could load your dishwashing soap up in here, or your hand soap. Well, not your hand soap. Spray. Your spray, yeah. And stuff like that. It came in this bottle here. And I also bought the sink drainer with pop-up stopper. And this is another, I bought this. It's like tissue paper for your, you know, my daughter has allergies, so this should work for her real nice. She won't, you know, she's always finishing my paper towels like mad fast. So this should be good for her. And I also got some tissue paper. You know, they say it's natural. So let's see how natural it is. And that wraps up this video, guys. So please go subscribe, like, and share my video. Hit the notification bell, and you will be notified of every single time I put a new video up, guys. And I have new videos coming out. I'll be using all these cleaning supplies, guys, to do some cleaning around the house and stuff like that. So please look out for those. So thank you guys for watching this video, guys, and I will definitely try to leave a link below for Grove Collaborative so you guys could go get your free supplies and stuff like that. And please subscribe to my channel, guys. Hit that notification bell, and you will be notified of every single time I put a video. Like and share and all that lovely stuff.